When kids turn 5 or 6, many parents ask, will they be ready for primary 1? At Joyous, we prepare them for more than just school. Let me show you how. Success starts with good habits. That's why we build strong routines into our everyday. Children learn that discipline means doing small things right, again and again. Next, children learn how to relate to others. They study and play with friends from different backgrounds. This builds empathy, teamwork, and the ability to work with all kinds of people. They also express themselves creatively through our weekly theme, not just in language, but in ideas and imaginations. You think puzzles are just for fun? They actually train the brain to think critically and solve problems. At Joyous, our kids work through puzzles daily, alone or with friends. This helps them to face challenges with confidence. We focus on building independence. Children here learn to use the toilet on their own, pack their own bags, take turns leading, and sticking to schedules. These are real skills that help them transition smoothly to primary school. Of course, academics matter too. We build strong foundations in the 3 main languages and math. We also prepare them physically so they're ready for PE and school routines. Our phonetic learning approach means they learn new things weekly, making learning deeper and more meaningful. We want every child to enjoy the process of learning and growing. That's why creativity is part of everything we do. Want your child to experience the same? Talk to us today!